So I want to do a quick explanation of what the difference is between like an app and a Chrome extension. Everyone's pretty familiar with the apps. You'll find them up here at the top left-hand side. And those are truly, a freestanding web-based application. It's going to help you perform a specific task, and it's different from an extension. So an extension is something that's going to run within the Chrome browser itself. So it's going to be running all the time that you have Chrome open, and you'll see your list of extensions will be listed to the right of the browser bar up here. So what I've done is I've compiled a list of useful extensions or extensions that might be useful for individuals with different academic needs. So I tried to list it in this this Google Sheet here. So what is it going to give you assistance with? Assistance with reading or writing, down even to I put like focusing and attention, and then even a couple at the end here for security and for managing multiple extensions. Because once you start, getting an idea of what these extensions can do, if you're not already familiar, you might want to add more and more and more. And so it's nice to have that one extension that's listed at the bottom there to manage all of your extensions. So what I'm going to do is show you how to find some Chrome extensions. So what you can do, if you just go to the it's like the Chrome Web Store. There it is. I put the Chrome extension for store, but what you're looking for is the Chrome Web Store. In here, you can search the store, but what's difficult is searching by like a category. It's easier to search by the name of an extension. So let's say you want an extension like a calculator. So yeah, you'll find ones that are generally related to a calculator, but they also include the calculator name. If you're looking for something a little more broad, what you might have to do is do a Google search. So like when I was looking for these different extensions that I thought might be useful, I would say like, okay, well, what are, Google extensions for special education? And then I had to go through, different websites and kind of ferret out the ones that I thought, were good, and the ones I thought were useful, and the ones that I thought had bugs and different things like that. So if you're in the Chrome Web Store, let's say that you want calculator, you could try to add it to Chrome. And so I'll just show you how to do it. You're checking, do I want to add the extension? Sure. And now it's added. I'm going to move this over here a little bit. You can see that the calculator has been added to my Chrome, and it's up here now. So if I'm just in the middle of a web page and I want to do like some easy calculations, I can just click on that, and it'll bring up my calculator. And if I click on it again, it should go away. Whoops. Nope, I got to close it out. Close it out to make it go away. Whoop. There we go. And then I can get back to the web store. So what I did is compiled these different Chrome extensions onto a Google Sheet. I gave you the link, and I gave you a screencast in a lot of cases. And the one we're all going to have access for Read and Write for Google Chrome, this is just a really general screencast that I put together, and hopefully I'll put together some more specific ones for the different functionality. But this is just an introduction of what Chrome extensions are and how they may be able to benefit your students. Now, one more thing. So Chrome extensions, they are for, Chromebooks. The Chrome extensions do not work on Chrome on an iPad. So if you use Chrome as your browser on an iPad, you won't have access to the Chrome extensions. And so here's just an article that talks about that. And Safari doesn't have the same kind of extensions that Chrome does. So these are for your Chromebook. I use them on when I use Chrome on my home computer, which is a PC, and I also use them on my MacBook Air. So these would be available through Chrome on your MacBook too.